So mga busing, may meet up tayo ngayon. Bibilhin ko yung drone na from US. Di pa niya nagamit eh. Kasi di siya mahilig sa mga mag-vlog daw. Vlog. Puntahan natin. So, na-meet up na namo ang among kakuan ang owner si James. Namin diri sa Kutkot. So, yes.
Balik mo kay US.
Siya. Balik siya.
Ah, okay. Abi na kog dili mo kay baliga ni mo apil.
The drone must be only near.
That's why I'm not going to take it up too high.
Yeah.
The other thing is too, you always want to have level surface. Level surface for the drone to sit on. Always point it with the
Klaro
camera
kayo. Yeah.
towards
You.
Yep. Point it towards you. All right, so the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to unlock the motors.
Unlock.
Unlock the motors, okay? So,
Yeah.
see that?
Yes.
So now the motors are unlocked. This is up.
Whoop. Try it?
You want to try?
Yeah.
Hala ka.
Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to hit.
Musulay si Cherry Pie.
All right,
Unlock,
now you're just going to hit that and it's
nagkuha
going to go
na.
up.
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
now you want to come up a little higher, just a hair higher.
This one.
Yep, just a little bit. A little bit.
Inay relax.
Stop
Okay.
there.
Stop.
So now, side to side,
Side to side.
that turns. See how you're turning your drone?
Yes.
And then here down.
That would come down.
Good, nalingaw na si Cherry Pie. Wala na, nalingaw na. Oops.
Then this one I can take it up also. Okay, that's forward. So this is up.
Yep.
I see. All right. That's nice.
Nalingaw na. Bitbito na ni Ron.
It's just going straight, right?
And so, I got the drone. Ito na ang drone. Very nice. 4K. Got the drone. Only yung blades. Ang remote. Tapos iyahang battery. Very nice. So watch lang sa video tong mga explanation sa how to operate this one. Okay? Thank you.